Welcome home, boy.
Look at my face. I don't think I like outside.
What's wrong, Tim? You afraid you'll get in the picture?
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
I'm supposed to be cleaning.
Oh.
And I caught you.
No, quit. That's terrible. Quit. Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Look, I got to come home finally.
It's about time. Well, tell us the story, Dana.
I'll tell you the story later after I go sit down, okay? And this boy's hungry.
I'll come back.
Turn him all the way around. Let me look at him real good.
Time. You call me when you're done.
Joshua Stone. Hi, Patrick.
All right.
Dad, I'm so hungry. I've never been in my house. Look here, this is your house. Look here, this is your house. This is where you live. How about that? This is where you live. Did you look around? Are you looking around? This is where you live. This is where you live. Nice place, huh? Nice place, huh? It's better than that hospital.